Alright, in this video we're going to figure out how to find the centroid. Eddie's got a stegosaurus coming into the video. Alright, Ed, you can take the stegosaurus out now. Alright, in this video we're going to find the centroid by using, and there's a monster truck. Alright, thank you. Alright, that's good, Eddie. We don't need any more toys in there.
We're gonna. But I want to show them this.
Okay. Alright, I do need to do this video though, so just last thing, okay, and this is a car. That's pretty sweet. Alright.
Do you want to say anything to the kids?
Okay, do you want to say...
Wait, but watch, I have to show them something.
Oh my goodness, the lights flash. That's pretty sweet. Alright, do you want to say hi to my class?
Wait, I have to turn it on.
I think it's turned on. I really do need to make this video. Okay. Okay, that's enough, buddy. No more toys.
But I have to turn it, but I have to show them the noise.
Oh, it makes noise. Okay, alright. So, I apologize if you've watched the first minute of this video, hoping to skip right directly to the meat and potatoes of this problem. Alright, finding the centroid given these three coordinates. So, once again, we're just going to construct a triangle, and that triangle is going to have coordinates -2, 3, 6, 2, and 2, 7. So in order to find the centroid connects a midpoint to the opposite vertex, or the medians do, and the centroid is the place where two of those medians intersect, or all three of them intersect, I should say. So I'm going to be looking for the equation of two lines. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, and then y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So on both of these, I already have one of the points that I can use. So I'm going to just use this one, 2, 7, to write this equation of this line. So y minus 7 is equal to m times x minus 2. And then for this one, I'll just use this point to plug in for this line. So y minus 3 is equal to m times x plus 2. So now on both of these, the only thing I need is the slopes. So for this one, I just have to find the coordinates of the midpoint. Coordinates of the midpoint here is going to be the point halfway between 6 and -2. So that's a distance of 8. So halfway across that distance is going to be 4. But then, so I add the 4 to the -2, so that gives me an x coordinate of 2. And then from 2 to 3, I've got a halfway between there is 2.5. So I've got coordinates of the midpoint at 2, 2.5. Over here, halfway between 2 and 6 is 4. And halfway between 2 and 7, well, the distance is 5. So I'd add 2.5, so 4, 4.5. So now what I have to do is I have to find the slope between these 2 points and between those 2 points so I can add it into these equations. So for this one, the one with 2, 7, I'm going to find that slope. So slope between 2, 7 and 2, -2 would be 7 minus 2.5 all over 2 minus 2. So I'd end up with 7 minus 2.5 all over 0. So that's giving me a vertical line because I've got something over 0 that's undefined. That means it's a vertical line. So with that vertical line, I know that I can just take the x coordinate, and the x coordinate is just going to be 2. So x is equal to 2 will be the equation of this line. So, and I can clearly see that because if x is 2 in this one and x is 2 in that one, then the x isn't changing, so that's a vertical line. So for this one, we're going to find the slope between these two. So we've got 4.5 minus 3 all over 4 minus -2, and we end up with 4.5 minus 3 is 1.5 all over 6. So if I double both of those, I can keep it as a fraction, so that'd be 3 over 12, or in other words, slope of 1/4. So now we have y minus 3 is equal to 1/4 times x plus 2. We already know that x is equal to 2, so we can just plug that right in. So y minus 3 is equal to 1/4 times 2 plus 2. So we have y minus 3 is equal to, oh, I suppose I should move that so you can see what I'm doing. y minus 3 is 1/4 times 4. So y minus 3 is equal to 1. Add 3 to both sides, we get y is equal to 4. So the coordinates of the centroid here are going to be x equals 2 and y equals 4. Oops, so x is 2, y is equal to 4. Any final words that you want to say to my class, Eddie?
Yeah.
Sure. What do you want to say?
Class,
Say
this
good,
is
say good luck on your test.
good luck on your test, and how are you doing right now?
And how are you doing right now? I think they're going to be doing a lot better now that I've shown them these videos. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can I put something else to show them?
No, that's it, buddy.